أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
وهي تجري بهم في موج كالجبال ونادى نوح ابنه وكان في معزل يا بني اركب معنا ولا تكن مع الكافرين.
And so it sailed with them amidst waves like hills. And Noah called to his son, who had kept away, O my son, embark with us, and do not be with the disbelievers.
قال سآوي إلى جبل يعصمني من الماء قال لا عاصم اليوم من أمر الله إلا من رحم وحال بينهما الموج فكان من المغرقين.
He said, I will take refuge on a mountain, it will protect me from the water. He said, there is no protection from Allah's decree today, except for him on whom he has mercy. And the waves surged between them, and he was among the drowned.